we've been talking a lot about Chinese stocks and you getting back into it. Talk to us a little bit about your thinking right here, because it was just last month that you pulled back on your exposure and were selling. What changed?
Sure. Yes. So thank you for inviting me, Carol.
Yeah.
Very happy to be with you again. So we had been pulling out of China. We started last November, actually, after the debacle around the Ant Group IPO and really the banishment, it seems, of Jack Ma. And we saw increasing signs that the government was going to get tough on companies. We didn't know and companies which were more than unicorns. They had exploded onto the scene, and they had become so powerful, as had their leaders, that they almost seemed to be threatening the government. At least that seemed to be our take on the government's response. So we were a bit cautious, pulled away, and in fact, our flagship fund has moved out of most Chinese stocks. I think we were out probably late April, late May, somewhere around there. It might have been a little bit later. Gradually, you never know 100% of the time. I think the online education, really nationalization there, was a real valuation killer for the market. So I think that the market's going to be under pressure from a valuation point of view for a long time now, because that sort of thing was so unexpected. Even from those of us who saw the government tightening its grip on the country. But what we have done, we did after this last bloodbath in the stocks, we did try and sort through, okay, which companies are doing things the government likes. Right. And what we're seeing are those that are catering to tier 3, tier 4 cities, logistics, groceries. So you've seen us buy JD.com. JD Logistics is a big part of JD.com. I think they own 70% of it. So that's probably been our biggest purchase, as well as some Pinduoduo for the same reason. But if you were to look at what we were doing in those portfolios, we were really swapping them out of other names that we think are going to be continue to be in harm's way, or certainly under government pressure, like the Alibabas, for example.
Which you've been selling, correct?
Yes.